Welcome to my digital diaries. You're watching AI dictionary video series and today we are going to talk about agentic AI. Before proceeding ahead, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel and click on notification bell. If you like this video, then do click on a like button to share it with your friends and colleagues. If you want to have access of exclusive members only video, please do join. So let's start today's topic, Agentic AI. Let's start with a basic question. What is Agentic AI? Imagine a new colleague joins your office and you ask, can you research on our competitors? Now if this is where a old AI, it will wait for you to guide to step-by-step guide, search where, analyze what to analyze, how to put it in chat, all these things he will wait. But this is a new AI. He will disappear for a while or she will disappear for a while, dig through the data, analyze the numbers and come back with a neat summary on your desk. No hand holding required. That's what exactly Agentic AI does. It's not just a tool, it's an autonomous agent. It thinks, plans and acts like someone who knows how to get the job done. Now let's talk about the difference between Agentic AI and Reactive AI. Now imagine you want to plan a trip to Goa. If it's a Reactive AI, it will show you the list of flights, that's it. But if it is Agentic AI, it will think and books your flights. It will find a good hotel. It will create complete itinerary for you for a sightseeing. And even sets a reminders on your phone. All this Agentic AI will do it on its own. So that's what Agentic AI do. Reactive AI waits for you, whereas Agentic AI takes a lead just like a manager or a trip manager who doesn't need to told every tiny step. So this is what Agentic AI does. Let us now see what are the real-time use cases. Agentic AI is not just a theory, you can implement it practically. So you can have Agentic AI in your sales team who will monitor your sales live. And if there is a sudden drop, it can mail your sales manager that there is a drop in the sales. Similarly, it's the most popular where the Agentic AI use is a customer support, where the customer support agent can be Agentic AI who can not only can read the email of the your customer, but he will analyze that complaint and find a solution and reply to the customer, making him happy. So that's how Agentic AI works. And another use of Agentic AI is in the development, where it can do your code review. It can find the bug in your code. Not only that, it will fix those bugs also and then check in the code in your repository. So all can be done by Agentic AI. So these are the few use cases where you can use Agentic AI. How Agentic AI works? Let's see that. Think of a chef in a kitchen. You say, make pasta. Chef doesn't stop there and he will not ask you, should I boil the water? Should I cut the vegetables? Right? Chef knows what is the process to prepare pasta. What are the tools needed? What are the ingredients needed? What is the recipe? Everything a chef knows. So while preparing, he will test it in between and adjust the flavor also. And finally, he will serve you a perfect pasta. So Agentic AI works the same way. You give it a goal, it breaks into the steps, uses the right tools, tests it and refines it and only stop when the goal is completed. Agentic AI is not just waiting for orders, it's actively solving the problems like a professional. So that's how Agentic AI works. That's it for today. If you have used Agentic AI, what purpose you have used Agentic AI, let me know that in the comment. If you like this video, please do share this video with your friends and colleagues. Do click on a like button. If you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel and click on notification bell. Stay tuned for more episodes on AI, cloud and developer tools. I will meet you in the next week. Thank you.